In this video, I'll show you how to check someone's profile on Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what we're going to do right now, we're going to head over to the server, right? So, for you to check someone's profile here on Discord server, you're going to, let me say, I want to check Matthias on, right? I'm going to right click my mouse. I'm going to click on the profile, right? So, if you click on the profile, you can see this is Matthias' profile, his username, about him, his roles, when he joined, right? And everything you need to see. So this is basically how you can check someone's profile here on Discord server. This video basically is an educational video only, so I'm basically sharing my thoughts on what you should know when it comes to checking someone's profile here on Discord. Thank you guys for learning on this video. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna be with you guys in the very next one. Thank you.